Thanks, Jeremy. Now, the Intersecondary School Sports Association, ISSA, has lifted its vaccine mandate. The move comes after Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced the lifting of COVID-19 related orders under the Disaster Risk Management Act. Karen Madden has the details in tonight's Champs Preview.
The lifting of ISSA's vaccine mandate means that unvaccinated student athletes and other stakeholders will not be barred from ISSA-run competitions. The decision has major consequences for the school governing body's biggest product, the ISSA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships.
We have learned from the Prime Minister that the DRMA has been lifted, and therefore we are not obliged to have a mandatory vaccination policy for patrons or student athletes who will participate at champs or in our other competitions. So we have allowed all our students, once they are properly registered, to participate even if they are not vaccinated, and we will not require vaccination for our patrons who want to attend champs this year.
In an interview with TVJ Sports on Saturday, ISSA President Keith Wellington also addressed concerns about the cost of champs tickets.
We have retained the same price for our Saturday grandstand ticket that we had 2 years ago. We have made some adjustments for our bleachers tickets and for tickets for the other days, but if you look at prices for everything else and where they were 2 years ago as to what they are now, I think that these prices are reasonable prices. What we have done, as we normally do, is that we will have our special prices for students who purchase their tickets through the schools.
The ISSA boss also gave details on ticket access.
We're going to start our online sale of tickets next week, and then thereafter we will be introducing another method by which persons will be able to purchase their tickets. But for the first week or so, tickets will be available online only. We have not yet started. We will make the announcement when we have our press conference on Monday, March 21.
The ISSA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships will be held at the National Stadium from April 5 to 9 with live coverage on TVJ, TVJSN, Hits 92 FM and One Spot Media. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.